this whole panel off to fix it.
Fix what? Don't worry about it.
It's gonna break soon.
You know, my camera it broke and it fell inside of there. I already take that off and like pull it back out and glue it. Come on, man. I got 185,000 miles on it. I've only had a few things go wrong. Can't complain.
That ain't going nowhere if they're putting the pressure that way. Yep, you should be able to slide a screw right inside of that. Hey, Caleb's helping.
Well,
ready? Let me grab the bottom.
Sketchy.
You got this side?
I got the bottom.
Kinda.
Well, you guys.
I don't want to scratch your roof either. Put it like that. Oh, these bitches are huge.
Rock it back and forth. Oh, is that part?
Armor slider.
Hold on, it's hitting the legs.
Yeah.
It's hitting the what?
Your legs are hitting your top cap. Yeah, your roof cap. You gotta rock it. Yes. Yeah. Yep.
Are we on this?
Yep, we're good.
Yeah, that's right about there, I think. If we do, yeah. Man, these are huge.
No, they are. That's what I said.
Jeez.
I'd say do it right in there somewhere. I can hit this
Yeah,
side.
Straight
I
up
gotta
that.
peel those stickies off, though.
That's fine.
How am I gonna get up there?
You want a small one?
Give me a small one, like a TP.
Yeah.
You have to hang off on this thing. So bad.
Did you fill them all?
Yeah, he put 2 big ones and a small one in the middle.
There you go. That's a good
He
idea.
wants to do it right.
I'm supervising.
Seth, if you grab that, I can get the bottom and then walk it up. Alright, ready? Don't want to smash the other one. Just get it on the roof. Push it over. Yeah. Alright, hold on. Here, get these legs over again. Move mine first. Just hitting on the screw. Oh, your ladder's too severe.
Yeah, that's unfortunate.
Because that's as far down as it's going to go. Here, go.
Pretty close, though,
It's
yeah?
going to be pretty close.
Get your ball. Unless you got it.
She dropped it. I'm gonna look for it.
Thanks, man. Yeah, I wouldn't screw that one down yet. That one may be tough to get to that.
Yeah, I'll have to move over.
Yeah. Get the, I was gonna say, don't put too much pressure on the actual nails.
It's got a weird angle. Puppy. Alright, I've been waiting almost a year to put this cover on. Actually, it has been a year, I think. And I only have one screw left. Hopefully this one screw will hold the whole thing up. We'll see. Close enough. Had to use the other screw for my son's fishing rod. Alright, so I got the panels mounted up there, wired in series, coming down. These two LVs tucked under here, run into the house there. Here's what we got. We got the panels coming in. This DC breaker running into the inverter, running into the battery here. So, and then the output box of the generator input here. So yeah, I think I'm done with the solar finally. It's all hooked up. I don't know, I might put another charge controller in just to see. Just so this thing doesn't have to run all the time. So it's, I think the idle consumption is like 55 watts or 45 watts or something stupid like that. So if I can bypass that and just charge the batteries, we'll see. But I don't know. It's working good. Thanks for watching.